Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me CUBOT Max 3, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use Newbie Share on your device. Firstly, open Control Panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Then find Newbie Share, click and hold, wait a while. Then enable Newbie Share. Here you can rename your device, you can change device visibility mode, you can be visible for contacts only, for everyone, or you can be hidden. You can change data usage mode, you can use only Bluetooth, only Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Okay, that's it. Now you can share and receive data using Newbie Share. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.